Hi, my name is Tang, audio video engineer, and I'm going to take you around for a behind the scenes tour of the production control room. I have worked in the Musco Center for almost 5 years now and have been in performing arts for 17. As AV engineer, I help facilitate bringing ideas of our artists and presenting them to you. I also ensure that we are always providing the highest quality performance possible. This is our video playback station. We use these computers to display images or videos projected onto any of our movie screens. Audio control racks, where all of our audio sources get patched and routed to preamps, then to system processors, and lastly to speakers you hear. Video control racks, where inputs could get routed to any one of the 30 video monitors we have throughout the facility. And then onto our video switcher, where we have 6 cameras that have remote pan, tilt, zoom controls. This system was designed to record all of the college or performing arts events for our students to be able to review their past performances. This is the audio porch where all the magic happens. We use a Yamaha CL5 as our main mixing console. It controls equalization and levels of various microphones that get set up for shows. The amazing sound system we have is manufactured by Meyer Sound Labs out of Berkeley, California. It was custom designed and tuned to work in conjunction with the acoustic properties designed by Yasu Toyota with Nagata Acoustics. They are the leading design company in the world for concert halls. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of our production control room. See you soon.